If people are understanding my teaching skills and all. Okay. So first point. So first we'll go with SQL Server. Okay. Mhm. Hmm. Okay. So SQL Server, how to connect with that? So first point. So those people who never went to SQL class or something. So I hope this will be useful for them. Right. What is the first step? What is the server type? So basically here we have different types of servers are there. Database, analysis, reporting, integration, Azure, SSIS related. Okay, so this analysis we don't need now. Yeah, we are not reporting anything. We are not integrating anything. So we are using our SQL server as database for now. That's the reason we need to select a database engine. What is that? We need to select a database engine. Okay. So, and server name. What is the server name, sir? So server name, you can keep few options. No, can you people tell me what is that? What is the first option? We can keep what? Yes. So it's raining outside and the people, it's, morning 6:10 a.m. So you people are getting good sleep then. Guys. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Dot or local host or what? Your computer name. See, if first two are not working while you are connecting to your SQL server, you need to use this one, computer name. Now, I got one question now. So, anyone installed SQL? Anyone not installed SQL server in their laptop? Please raise your hands. Let me see. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 people only, right? So I have some links for that. I will give you guys, but yeah, here I have SQL installation. You need to install these two actually, SSMS and SQL Server. But if I give these links also, okay, you guys can try on your own. But if you face any issues or something, I will give my I will share my number soon. Uh, and mostly once this demonstration is completed, I will share my number and I will add you guys to one WhatsApp group which we have. All the discussions used to happen on this .NET. So I will share that WhatsApp group with you guys. That point of time you can you people can ask any questions or something. So you can message me personally or you can message in the group. So I will be available. See, the most important. So if someone is having any doubt in .NET, so I will share my number and I can help you guys at any point of time. You people may think like, sir, you are saying like that, but you may not. But it's true, trust me. So all my C# 732.9 or MVC 739 batch are this one 6 to 7 C# batch are now it's MVC batch. So whenever they message me for asking for doubt or something, I always respond to them. Uh, so you people can respond. So my 6 to 7 batch. So is that true or not? So whenever you ask me some question, whenever you share me some screenshot, I always responded you with solutions, right? So it's not like maybe so I have hardly 200 students per day. Like this match is like some 80 people or something like, and that match is like some 100 or 110 people. So so whenever they ask me question, I used to respond to them. So but once this batch got finalized, then only I can share my number. I cannot share now, but I will share. Okay. And I will share my book with you guys, like ASP.NET and ASP.NET MVC, and most important interview questions related. And we have some important programs in C Sharp. I have prepared some 40 programs with the question and answers. That thing also I will share. Okay. All these things I will share. Okay. So now authentication. We have two types of authentication. Okay. So two types of authentication. So like, sir, we have Azure also. So, anyway, we are learning at basic stage. So I don't want to consider this Azure. But in ASP.NET MVC, like I have some experience in Azure also. I will definitely show some basic concepts in Azure for you guys. So I have like some 6 years of experience in Azure also. Currently, I'm working in Azure, so I'm doing so many things. So like I will definitely show one time deployment or some Azure portal basic overview or something. I will definitely give some basic knowledge on Azure for you guys. Okay. Maybe in the last sessions. Okay. So we have two types of authentication: Windows authentication and SQL authentication. So guys, I just pasted this one, not for everyone. So I just pasted those links. Those who all needed, you can install SQL Server from those two links. Okay, we have two types of authentication. One is Windows authentication and SQL authentication. What is Windows authentication? By using Windows authentication, what will happen? Like we need to install. I mean, whenever we log in into our SQL Server, then it will by default take our system login credentials. Like, see, when you open, when you lock your system, you will enter user ID and password, right? Those credentials it will take, or SQL authentication. At the time of installation of SQL Server, we will give some user ID and password. So you can give them, but anyway, there is no problem in working with Windows authentication. That's it. Now click on connect. Now what will happen? We will connect to our SQL Server. Now, if you want to work with ADO.NET, you need two things. One is database. The other one is table. Sir, what is database, sir? What is table, sir? Database is the place where we can store multiple tables. Okay. So we can keep multiple tables in our database. That is the reason we can maintain one single database. So in this database, what will happen? See, this is one database, this is one database, this is one database. What will happen? We'll create so many tables on inside our student. See, for example, if I am working in 3 projects, one is entity framework related, one is employee related. Anyone have a question? Some people raise their hand. Like, anyone have any question or something? Please. No? Okay. So see, if I am working in 3 projects, one is employee, one is student, and one is entity framework, then what will happen, guys? So employee value should save in employee database, students value should save in student database, and if we have something else database, we need to save there only. But sir, in database, where we need to store the values, that is what table. Okay. So now, can you people tell me? Yes, Sachita Reddy, tell me. Yes, I'm unable to hear you.
Shark, what is the cost of this program?
Sorry, what is the cost of which program?
program. This tell మీరు చెప్తున్న ప్రోగ్రామ్ కి ఎంత సార్ కాస్ట్ ఫీ?
So you're asking for MVC?
Yes sir.
What is the fee structure of MVC? That's what you're asking.
Yes sir.
Okay. So please connect with our admin Hari Prasad.
Okay sir.
So
Okay,
I mean, I don't know any fees related and all.
Okay,
So Hari Prasad is dealing with all these things.
Yeah, sorry for disturbance sir.
No problem. No problem.
Okay.
So anyone have any questions so that I can unmute them? Please tell me. Please raise your hand. Someone raised. Bhiksha Panda. Yeah.
Good
Bhiksha.
morning, sir.
Yeah, Bhiksha, good morning.
Yeah, so this is related to .NET Core or only MVC and ASP.NET?
.NET Core also is part of the session.
Okay, so whether we will be covering web means RESTful API and all everything.
Web API also I will cover. ASP.NET I will cover. MVC I will cover. ADO.NET I will cover. Entity framework I will cover. And this .NET Core and also some. I mean, so Azure is not part of it, but still.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine, sir. So only thing, so gradually we'll come to the core part, right?
Yes, correct. So like, without knowing what is ASP.NET,
Right,
we cannot
right,
move to MVC. Without knowing MVC, we cannot move to Web API. Without knowing Web API or something, all these things, without knowing all these things, if we directly move to core, then we don't understand anything.
Okay, sure, sir. Sorry.
Got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Any more hands? Yeah, guys, please ask me. So you guys are so silent then. Yeah, someone raised. Who is the someone? Padmavati. Yes, madam. Tell me.
Sir, is it possible to cover AngularJS also? Because in
Yes,
interviews
madam.
they'll ask me.
AngularJS. We will. I mean, so if you took this full stack course or something, that is also part of the course content. So I think Angular, the latest version of Angular, whatever it may be, that is part of the course.
Okay.
But some different faculty will teach. I deal with C#, ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, Web API, .NET Core, ADO.NET, Entity Framework, Microsoft Azure Basics, and HTML Basics I will teach. But SQL Server and this full complete HTML, JavaScript, jQuery and all, some other faculty will cover. But I deal with .NET technologies.
Okay, so this is covered with this course, but the faculty is different. You mean to say that?
Correct,
right?
Correct.
Okay.
So, if I deal with all the courses, then what will happen? Like, web tech now. So, like this Angular and HTML related and all. Then what will happen if you take 2 months for everything, then 1 year will be here only. But if you guys go parallelly, then what will happen? Within 3-4 months, you can complete .NET.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So that's better, right?
Okay, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can mute yourself. Yeah, now Sudhakar Reddy. Yeah, sir, tell me.
Sir, what is the course duration, sir? This course duration?
2 months, Sudhakar.
2 months. Timing, sir, 6 to 7 o'clock, right, sir?
Every day 6 to 7.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. So Achyut, what happened to you again?
సార్ యాక్చువల్గా ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనకు ఎస్క్యూఎల్ సర్వర్లో బేసిక్గా డేటాబేస్ అంటే ఎంటిటీ రిలేషన్షిప్ డయాగ్రామ్స్, ఇయర్ డయాగ్రామ్స్, 1NF రిలేషన్షిప్స్, 2NF రిలేషన్షిప్స్ అని ఉంటాయి కదా సార్, అవి కూడా మీరు ఇక్కడ చెప్తారా సార్, లేకపోతే ఓన్లీ క్వెరీస్ రాయడం వరకే నేర్పిస్తారా సార్?
No, I will teach this.
I am from the EC background, sir. It's very hard for understanding because I'm COVID pass out, no college, only online course.
So no problem.
So after that, I am coming directly into the USA.
Okay, so you are attending from US?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
My friend referred your name from the previous batch student, referred your name.
Name?
Saichand.
Okay. Yeah.
He was also the online student from my college itself. He also
Okay.
attended from the USA. He referred me your number. This course, Naresh IT, and your faculty name.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for him. But uh, one thing I can tell, like guys, see, Achut, you don't need to worry about EC or something. So I'm also EC only, no problem. So see, guys, one thing I can tell, I don't know about other sessions, other faculties and all. Uh, you know, so if you are see, my students, like so I have so many students, like so some people are from ECE, some people are from mechanical, some people are from MBA, some people are from MCA, some people are from other backgrounds. But what I will tell, what I will tell you guys is, see, guys, you don't need to worry about your what is your BTech background. If you are from medical background, also no problem. But one thing I can tell, one thing I can promise you, just follow me, for 1 month, this 2 months. See, I will ask you to. I don't leave you guys. So in my classes, so if someone is sleeping, I don't allow them to sleep. If someone is not listening, I will ask them immediately the question. I will ask them the question. So so I will do the spoon feeding for you guys, like step 1, step 2, step 3, like that. I will give each and every theory and practical and real time everything. Okay, so I will make you guys very much easy for that. Trust me in that. You can trust me in that blindly. But one thing, when I'm asking you to practice, you people should practice on that. So when I so see, like I will teach something and I will ask you to practice, and so immediately I will ask you guys to, so if you are facing issue, immediately share the screenshot with me. I will definitely help you guys in that. Okay, so Achut, so you don't need to worry if you are ECE, mechanical or something. So if you know like alphabets, you can learn .NET. So, sir, what are the prerequisites for learning .NET, sir? So, I will tell nothing. You don't need to learn any, you don't need. So, if you know alphabets, A, B, C, D, then you can learn. So, some people ask me, sir, some people are saying C language is mandatory for learning .NET. So, so I ask them. So, you can ask your friend, he will tell. So like, so C language, see, in our C sharp course, so we'll cover conditional statements, arrays, you know and also for loops and all, and some basic all the basic programs, like console, write line, read line and all. So all those things, they are part of what C language only. So after that, we'll go for the swoops concepts, like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, data abstraction and all. So all those things, whatever we used to discuss, so all they are basics only. So what you need to do, sir, what I need to do, simple. You need to put your 200% efforts. That's it. What is 200% effort, sir? See, one is you need to attend the class daily. The first point. Sir, we have one movie released in this weekend, sir. So today we want to skip the class, sir. Sir, yesterday we have holiday, sir. So we watched movie till 2 o'clock in the night, or we have seen this IPL match, sir. Yeah, you can watch IPL, you can watch movie, but you need to watch after everything, after whatever you are doing, you need to do after 6 to 7 class. So join 6 to 7 class, practice every day. Whatever, see, I don't need much of your time. See, every day 1 hour class and 30 minutes of your time for practice. So the rest of the day, you want to play cricket, you play cricket. If you want to go for movie, you can go for movie. If you want to do some XYZ things, you can do. But give me 1.5 hours per day, especially for your Vishwa sir. After 2 months, so so if you are a fresher, or if you're keeping some extra experience, or if you're doing something else, whatever it may be, after completion, after relieving from my MVC session, so you people will almost equals to 2 years of experience. Trust me, this is true. Okay, so you will have almost equals to 2 years of experience. And some people are asking me, so behalf of your friends and all, and if someone, sir, this recession is going on, so people are removing from companies and all. Sir, what you suggest on that, sir? how the job opening. So can I leave this software course and can I go to some government sector or something? So one thing I can tell you guys, people tell me, so if you suddenly, so if I give you this Dabba phone, like, Samsung 1100, Nokia 1100, this Samsung Dabba wala small phone, so that phone or something, if I give you that and if I ask you to live for one day, will people will live without that phone pay? So nowadays I have seen some kirana shops and all. So if they are buying that lollipop, 2 rupees lollipop also they are paying through phone pay. Are you guys agree with me for that?
Yes, sir. Yes. That is right.
Okay. So see, that's what. So that means, sir, what is the relation between this phone pay and software, sir? Now, who developed this phone pay? The people who are sitting beside some tree or something, and the people who are sitting on, in these villages, or someone who is roaming here and there. So those people only develop this phone pay software. Or so we are without. So now people tell me, the people who are criticizing that software is gone or something, so they are using the Facebook, they are using the Gmail. So how, who is developing the softwares and all? So those people only? No. So we people, so proud to be a software engineer, so you don't need, that's what I can feel, proud to be a software engineer. So we are here to serve the nation and the world. Seriously, this is true. Now when you are going, so the best job in India, I think that is some banking job or something. Now people tell me, if the server, so sometimes when you go for bank, people are saying like server down, server down. What is that server? How these online transactions are happening? So now tell me, if their computer is not working for one day, will they run the bank? No. Yes or no? Now people tell me, without IT, so we cannot even, nowadays, we cannot even live for one day or 2 day. Right? So if you want to watch a movie, you need some software. If you want to phone someone, you need a mobile phone. That is a software. If you want to send 1 rupee money to someone, it is a software. So now people tell me, what is running without software? Nothing. Zero. If you think zero, then why there will be no? See, maybe the situation is bad, but there are lot of openings. So when I'm speaking with our Naresh IT HR, he's saying, sir, we have lot of openings on .NET, but I don't know, we are unable to fill the positions for the companies. That's what he told me so many times. So that means we have requirement. Okay, but one thing. So there is one difference between course completion and course learning. So now tell me, I will ask you a question. I see some people now here, some 62 people joined here and some 15-20 people opted for a video, some almost 80 people. Just think like that for now. So 80 people joined. So what you will do, you will keep your headphones in your ears, and after that what you will do, you will happily sleep now, because your Vishwasar is helping you guys to get better sleep. Okay. So now what happened? Sometimes what will happen, weekly 1 or 2 days you will attend the class and other 4 days you don't attend. And the second thing, you will go for the second show movie, and you forget about this class, and you will wake up at 8 o'clock. So Vishwasar class. Okay, no problem. So we missed for one day. That one day will become 2 days, and 2 days will become 3 days, and 3 days will become 4 days. And finally, what will happen? You don't join the class. Now, after 2 months, one fine day, I will tell like, so we are done with the MVC. Then you are successfully completed your course, but you did not learn anything there. Now, people tell me, you want to learn or you want to complete the course. What is learning? After completion of your course, if you go for interview, if you clear the interview, then you are successfully learned the course. Or for example, if you're changing your technology, something to something else, so then you are successfully learned the course. And if you are having some gap or something, if you are keeping some 3-4 years of experience, and if you are able to manage the work, then you are successfully learned. So now people tell me, you want to complete your course or you want to learn the course? So how many of you need job here? So no one is raising their hand. So how many of you want a job with 30 lakhs package? So, sir, how can I get a 30 lakhs package today only, sir? So, see, after 3-4 years or after 6-7 years, you will reach 30 lakhs package. That's what is happening in IT. So, only, so you people are very nice. So only 10 people are interested for 30 lakhs package, guys. And other people will get only 4 lakhs package who are not raising hands. So 20 people will get 30 and rest 40 will get 3 lakhs package. Your package will be reduced if you have 8 lakhs also. One more thing, see, in IT, you can earn more money. Okay, sir, how, sir? So in IT, how we can earn the money means, see, for example, if you have 3 years of experience, then you have some 6 lakhs package or something. Then what will happen? So you will think like, oh, so many of my friends are getting 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs package. Why can't I try? And then you will go for interview and you will clear the interview. You will get, 9 lakhs of package, something like. Then 9 lakhs package you got now. So now what happened? Some of your friends, so now you will tell one beautiful word with HR. See, I'm not a person, who is working for money or something. I'm a person who is committed for something. Then you will tell like that. And after that, you will tell, release offer now. I don't even go for other companies for interview. So the very next day, you will get a call from some other company like Capgemini or something. Then you will go there and you will clear the interview and you will see, I'm getting 9 lakhs package from there. Will you give me 12 lakhs? Again, you will tell that beautiful dialogue like what? So see, release me the offer. I don't even go for other company interview. Now what will happen? The very next day, you will get a call from Cognizant, CTS. So now what will happen? So same dialogue again, 15 lakhs package. So if you release me offer, I don't even go. So what is happening here? So you are just asking counter offer to them. So see, here in IT, if you have 5 years of experience, you can easily get a minimum 10 to 15 lakhs package. But unfortunately, see, the best government jobs in India, when they reach their retirement age, they don't even touch to here. Yes, Aujanya, you can. So that's what. So so many students, they are from medical background and they learn .NET from me, and they are in very good positions also. That's what I told. So I will definitely ask everyone like their qualification and all soon. Okay. Okay, that's what. So see, that's the reason. So IT is the best field for earning money. Okay, so we'll see a couple of motivation sessions in our upcoming sessions. For now, I'm stopping here. Okay, so see, guys, if you have, so you don't need to worry like you are from mechanical background, you are from MCA background or something. So just follow my instructions. After 2 months or 3 months, you will definitely learn everything for sure. Trust me in this. Trust me means you can blindly trust me in this. Okay, fine. Okay, I hope I answered all the questions. So if someone have any doubts, please raise your hands after 10-15 minutes. Meanwhile, I will continue with the session. Okay, so now table. What is a table consists of? Tell me, rows and columns. So what is row and what is column? So see, this is what row and this is what column. Okay, so you people know, right? I hope. This is row and this is a column. So what will happen? So whenever if you want to save some data, all the data of serial number will be saved here. All the data of serial name will be saved here. Okay. So this is how we deal with. Okay, so are you guys clear with this? So this is my first class. How can I go through your previous sessions? Sindhuja, so I think our Hari Prasad sir has shared the links here. You can check na here. See, you can see here, right? Yeah, this one. Oh, this came to only Gayatri. Okay, Sindhuja. Okay, so this is how we'll save the values. Now, sir, are you guys clear with the SQL part? I mean, I know this is too early for someone who don't know SQL and all, but anyway, see, we will discuss this program like 3 more times in upcoming sessions, like in ASP.NET MVC. Everywhere we'll teach this one, so you guys don't need to worry on it. I will explain one more time. So this is like just demo, but you people ask me for ADO.NET. So that's the reason I'm explaining. Okay. But anyway, I will explain this concept few more times, and that time, some for one ADO.NET session, we'll take 3-4 sessions, and we will explain very clearly, slowly. Okay. Until you people get some clear idea on it. So I don't see if you have any doubts, you ask me. So I am ready to explain for 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 100 times. Also, I'm ready to explain. But my main intention, the people who ever join here, everyone should get 100% idea on everything. Okay. So like if one topic is dragging for 1 week also, I don't care. So my main intention, if people should understand everything, then only I will stop on that topic. Okay. So, but you people need to ask me, but otherwise I don't know, like you people are aware of it or not. Okay. Okay. Fine. So now I'm going to ADO.NET code again. I'm just opening that. So we'll finish in 10 minutes. Okay. So guys, just be listen carefully. We'll finish it in 10-15 minutes. Why? Because we will start something ASP.NET today. ADO.NET here. What is that? Theory. ADO.NET connection oriented. Madam, sorry, Sholok. So, are you using like, okay, fine. So, are you using dot or localhost? Which one you are using? So, please confirm. Dot, sir. Okay, then you give computer name. Then it will work for you. Okay. So now who will answer? Raise your hands for ADO.NET. So please down the hands, everyone. So we will answer ADO.NET questions now, so that I can move fastly. Okay. So our air processor sir is also raising hand. What? See, so many Saujanya. So we'll go with both Saujanyas then. So Gayatri. So you're yes, Gayatri. So you can unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the first step, Gayatri?
First, we need to declare the namespace.
Yes, perfect. What is the so other guys who raise their hands, please stay. You people, you will get your turn also. Declare the namespace. What are the namespaces, madam?
System.data and
Hmm.
system.data.sql client.
Correct.
Using
Correct. So yes, we have 2 namespaces for ADO.NET we are using in C#. One is using system.data and using system.data.sql
data.sql client.
SQL client. Okay, thank you so much, Gayatri. So very nice. So what is our step 2? Tell me. Okay, so see, you are muted. Sir. Harpit. Harpit, now tell me, what is the second step? So make it
Create
fast.
a connection.
Oh, Arpita. Okay, create connection. Create connection. What is the class available for creating connection here? Tell me. For which class?
SQL connection.
SQL connection. Some object name equals to. Tell me.
SQL connection object name con
You-
here
right?
equal to new SQL connection.
Very good. So what will pass, madam, here?
Data source.
What is, we call it as one word, connection string. What is that?
Dot or localhost.
Yes, madam. So we call that complete thing, whatever we pass here, that is called as connection string. Okay.
Connection string.
Okay. What is that? Data source? Tell me. Data
Data
source
dot
equals to
equal
what? Dot. Tell
dot
me. Database.
dot or localhost or computer name.
Okay. Database.
Database.
Some database name. Okay. And after that, what? Integrated security.
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay. Thank you so much, Arpita. I will ask.
Thank you.
Mhm. Okay, the next one. This time we'll go with Gopi. Gopi.
SQL command.
No, step 3, something else. So the telephone you have now. So before dialing your number, you need to do something. SQL command is right, but before that we need to do one thing.
Connection open.
Very good. Open the connection. What is that?
Yeah.
Open the
Open
connection.
connection.
So now can you tell me what is the syntax for opening the connection?
con dot open.
Very good, very good. So how we are getting means, see, this is our object name and that is our method name. So that's the reason con dot open. That's it.
Open.
That is done. So fine. So and after that, so we'll go next. Thank you, Sagar. Yes.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Yeah. Tell me, what is the next step? Step 4. So Sagar, you're speaking. I can't hear you. Okay. The next one. Saujanya. So why I'm asking like this means so simple. This I feel when I am explaining some important concepts, like very much important concepts. First, I will explain. I will try to understand how much people understood from that. So if the people are unable to respond, then I will explain one more time like that. So this is the most important and most difficult. See, the first session of MVC or ASP.NET, if I explain about this ADO.NET, and if you are understanding means that will tell the depth. So that's the reason I have taken this challenge and I tried to explain ADO.NET. Okay, the next step is SQL command. We need to create SQL command. So object name equals to new SQL command. So what we need to pass here? We need to pass the query here. Okay, query to whom? Our connection. Okay, so that's it. And finally, after that, what? Execute the query. So what are different types of execution here? Execute scalar, execute reader, and execute non-query. And finally, you need to close the connection. That's what we have learned yesterday. So people see here, I'm just I'm just opening that program and I will just show you guys how we can execute that program. So the other people who missed the chance like Anusha and all, so we'll get maybe after some time. Sorry for that. Yesterday somewhere I created, right? Yesterday, this week. Oh, yesterday this one only console application. Anyway, you don't need to note down now. Why? Because once our regular MVC session starts, that time I will give this program. That time you people can note down. For now, I just observe the coding. Okay, I will definitely give the notes, and also anyway I will share my book only. So that time you can. So now what I have done, I have taken one student number, student name, and I'm trying to enter student number, and after that I'm doing the typecasting here. Okay, and after that I'm entering the student name, and I'm just reading the value because it's a string. No problem, Sagar. So what is the first step we discussed there? Declare the namespace. So we have declared the namespaces here. What is the second step? We have like create connection. SQL connection, new connection equal to data source, database, integrated security equal to true or false. Okay, after that, what is that? Con.open. So what is the con here? Object name. So we are just calling that one. Okay, and after that we need to pass the query. So query string query equal to inserted to table name. Okay, so here this two, what is this two? Can someone tell me? S number and S name, these two are what is what is those two? Our column names in our database. Okay, and after that we are just passing the query here, and finally we are executing the query. Okay, so if we run the program, then what will happen? Student number some 25, student name some test. Enter. So records inserted successfully. Now come here. Select star from student, right? Student. No, STU. Table name is STU. Execute that. So see, we just got those values. Okay. Okay, I will give 5 minutes time. And meanwhile, you people can note down this program. So maybe if someone want to practice, okay, note down. So 6:55. By the time you need to finish. That means you missed something in the installation, so you need to install the software. So Chandra, so I shared right in the group. So here in the chat, so you can find it somewhere. Yeah, Divya, what is your doubt? So so this is also active course only, Divya. So maybe for 3-4 days. So if people are having C# doubts, that's the reason I'm telling few. But now I am going to start. Are you guys done with that? So 2 more minutes, please complete it. So guys, anyone have any questions in this this ADO.in program or any other doubts in MVC? Okay, so tomorrow we will start with the MVC sessions from tomorrow. I'm sorry, initially ASP.in, then we'll move to MVC. So 3 participants raise their hands, please. So you have doubt or Anusha? Pranav, yeah, tell me Pranav. You raised that time also.
Yeah, sir, can you just share the course details, like what we will be covering in this course?
Yeah, like
Because,
complete.
yeah, I have seen on the website. So can you just reshare like what you gonna cover?
The same thing, whatever you have seen in website, I will cover everything. And I will also cover extra concepts and real-time project and everything. Okay, anyway, today I will share the content with our admin, so he will share with you, everyone.
Okay. Okay, sir. And the thing is, like, I'm working professional. So like I know the basic concepts.
Okay.
So will it go with the same batch or like any weekend batches for this thing?
No,
Yes.
actually for my classes, so I'm also working. So I will deal with only 2 batches, 6 to 9. That's the reason. So that's the reason. See, some people, if if you miss this match, then again you need to wait for the next batch will be after 3 months only. So that's the reason. I don't have any weekend batches or kind of thing, but I deal with only 2 batches only.
Okay.
Mm,
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay, got it. So Satya Prakash. Yeah, please tell me, Satya Prakash.
Hi, sir. I also have completed only C sharp batch from our site. Is I had like at that time I had taken full stack, but I was a student at that time, so I couldn't complete all the courses, right? And even I don't have that much knowledge in C sharp too. I just have some basic concepts, right?
Okay, but you have learned C sharp previously, right?
Yeah.
You forgot. Okay, so no problem. So see, if you want, so you can join here now. After some days, we are starting with some C sharp batch also. Like I'm going to complete one of the MVC session at 7:30 to 9. So immediately we'll start C sharp there. So then you can join the C sharp there and you can continue MVC here.
Like you mean to say, I must join a separate batch?
That is no, you can join here. This MVC you can continue here. Why? Because at least you have some basic idea on C sharp, at least. That's the reason I'm asking you. So if you want to and if you want to listen that C sharp again, then we are going to start one C sharp batch after 15 days like that. So at that time I will anyway I will inform in the class. If you want, you can join there in the C sharp for brushing up your skills.
Okay, sir. And sir, the idea that you are explaining now, which is on a screen about data connection.
Okay.
So will you teach it again?
Yeah, I will teach it again. So that's what I was saying. Like, so this ADO.NET this is C sharp, right? Console
Yeah.
application. I
Yeah.
will teach that in MVC. I will teach that in ASP.NET, and we'll see that in Web API also if needed. But so 3-4 times we will teach that, and so after following all those things, you can write own website on your phone. So I will make it after our ASP.NET, you will able to create a website on your own.
Yes, sir. I have done it so many times, but still I'm unable to do it on my own.
So this time you will done. Trust me.
Okay, sir. I'm also a working professional, sir.
Okay,
But
nice.
yeah, but I'm
Yeah. So I mean, mostly, people working professional want real time courses. That's the reason most of the people prefer mine. That's the reason I know working professional. So this session is exclusively for working professionals only. Why? Because I mean, so their office timings will be different and all. But anyway, but I don't. I mean, see, for example, if a learner, so who is having very minimum knowledge on coding and all, so
Right,
I
sir.
will take care of both of them. Like so not only working professional, I will take care of everyone. So I will teach everything. See, for example, if I'm teaching some array concept or something, So there will be some levels for that, level 1, level 2, level 3. So level 1 is like, very basic. Anyone can understand that type of thing. So first I will start with the program from that. And after that, I will increase a little more level. And after that, I will reach to the highest level. So that what will happen, you will be clear from basics to the higher knowledge. So that's what I always follow in teaching. So you don't need to worry. So, I mean, if you have doubts in programming and all, but one thing I can tell. So if you join the class, like if you don't, I mean, don't miss the class, even a single class. If you have personal issues, personal problems, XYZ, professional, anything. So don't miss the class for that 2 months or 2.5 months or something. So once it is done, then absolutely will become professional for sure.
Okay, sir. Do you provide pre-notes or like daily notes? Do you provide?
Both I will. So see, I will share my book after 1 week. We have one WhatsApp group running now for C# batch students. So I will add all the new people in that group.
Like the group is already created.
Yeah, it's already there. Like this is like in this group we already completed our C#.
Like
okay.
Since how many days it's been?
C# completed. See, after completion of C# immediately we started MVC here.
Okay, sir. Okay, fine, sir.
So half of the students there, my C# students are there from here.
Right, sir. Sir, is it enough for like 60 days in 2 months is enough for this?
60 to 75 days. Based upon you people's understanding. If some people will grasp the content very much easily. Some people it may take some more time. So if they are asking for multiple times for explanation and all, then I will repeat that. That's what I told. See, if the CDO.NET, if you don't understand, if you ask me, sir, I have a doubt here, sir, can you explain? Then I will explain again. If you ask me for third time, I will explain one more time. If you ask me for fourth time, I will explain one more time. So like that. So when the people, some people will, if I explain for one time, they will understand. So based upon you people's response only.
Okay, sir. And one more question. Like what about today's note? How can I get that?
Anyway, I will. I mean, once we start with our session, anyway, I will share my book, right? So then you will get it. This program, I ask you people to write down, right? Note down.
Okay.
But anyway, no problem. You don't need to worry about it. So we'll share. Once I added you people into that WhatsApp group, I will share the book and content, everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, clear?
Thank you. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Gopi, Anusha.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Gopi.
Yeah, this is connection oriented or connectionless?
Connection oriented only.
Okay, sir. Difference between connection oriented and connectionless.
We'll definitely tell maybe after some time, but you are asking, that's why. See, in connection oriented architecture, we need to open the connection and we need to close the connection. So what will happen if you open the connection, if you forget to close the connection, then what will happen means, the number of connections will remain active, and that may lead to performance issues of the application. So it's like, a drawback. So for that reason, we are moving towards this connection oriented architecture. There we have a class called SQL data adapter class that will automatically take care of opening and closing the connection. So anyway, Gopi, so when we go for ASP.NET, that time I will explain this program. I mean, connection and disconnection oriented program. We are going to discuss one more time. I will explain more on that. Okay. Sudhakar, so you have something? So go please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Sudhakar.
Sir, is this C# course or sir MVC or MVC course, right? Which one, sir?
This is MVC. Yeah, no, the program you are seeing, that's
sir,
what you are asking.
This course, I'm asking about this course only, sir.
This course is MVC only, but few of our students was asking me to brush up some C# skills. That's the reason I'm giving. So before
Okay.
moving into MVC, if you are, I want you people should be perfect in some core features of
Yes.
C#, like
Yes, yes.
interface or ADO.NET or abstract class hoops concept. That's the reason I'm explaining.
As they have asked, you are explaining, right, sir?
Yeah, correct.
Thank you, thank you.
So we'll start with our ASP.NET. From tomorrow we are starting, and from Monday our regular complete ASP.NET only from beginning to end will start. Okay, anyone have any questions now? Please raise your hands. Yeah, Arun. Yeah, Arun. I just unmuted. Please, Arun, go ahead.
Sir, while creating a project, concept of like solid visual design pattern is also explained.
So in MVC, in .NET Core, like I will explain about the project structure and all. So I don't go, I mean, very deep into design pattern, solid principle, but I will give some basic knowledge on that. Why? Because I need to take care of the beginners and also experienced. So for beginners, if I explain the solid principles or design patterns and also they may confuse. That's the reason. But anyway, in the core and all the project structure and what is that, everything I will explain.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, Anusha.
Hi, Prashant. I didn't have any knowledge in .NET. How can I prepare?
So, madam, you are a fresher, and how can you proceed for learning? That's what you are asking, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, no problem, Anusha. See, one thing. One small tip I can give. So, join the class every day. Don't miss even a single class. Practice whatever we teach in the class. Practice that every day. And one more thing. So, for example, I sometimes ask you people to repeat with me. Maybe you are in mute, but still, if you repeat with me, then what will happen? So end of the session, you will get complete knowledge on it. For example, what is connection? SQL connection. I will ask you to repeat. So Anusha, can you repeat? Then you need to SQL connection can equal to new SQL connection. SQL connection can equal to new SQL connection. SQL connection can equal to new SQL connection, like that. So repeat like that and practice everything. Don't miss even a single class. So you will get the job.
I didn't attend the last 2 sessions where it will be the videos are source.
I have shared multiple times our admin Hariprasad number. So this is his number. You can connect with him. He will share those video links.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So I'm just sharing our admin Hariprasad number. So Akil, we need to start from ASP.NET. So if you get ASP.NET basics, then we can move to MVC. So I just shared our admin Hariprasad sir number. So please take his number. I request you guys prefer to message him in WhatsApp. Why? Because so he's dealing so many students like our batches, so many batches. So maybe he is busy with something. That's the reason. Yeah. So done. So any more questions? Guess tomorrow we are going to start with our ASP.NET basics, and if needed, and if people's demand, so we'll see. If needed, we will discuss some concepts also in C#. Okay. So anyone have any questions, please? Okay, no. So I'm taking it as no. Thank you all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow. Someone. Okay, thank you.